I think last point where we left off with the Mark 1, this was covered up in plastic, paint stripper was taking the paint off, so it was like this. We're now back to bare metal. Then you had to clean up the rust residue and stuff that was left over, give it a bit of rust conversion, then sand everything off again to give the filler and all the bodywork stuff a nice surface to
be shiny metal. There's still some paint left on here, but that's because I know I'm not gonna.
Filler wants to be on shiny metal, scuffed to, what have you been scuffing it to? 120 or 60?
Low as you can, really.
Just low and rough.
Yeah.
Low and rough, that's how we like it.
40 on the DA.
Oh mate, it looks really good on camera. So like, ooh.
Managed to dolly this out to maximum required, but then
any ideas?
dollied it out. But
what, from the back?
Low.
Was you?
Yeah, the bar in there. So you do the dolly off one where you push the bar in the middle and then you dolly around it. You hit here and you hit here.
Okay.
And that eventually pushes where you're applying pressure to on the back.
Okay, so all of this stuff that you've been working on for the last couple of weeks is now down to bare metal. Filler, first big bunch of filler applied. Now you're just sanding it off. Hopefully getting it ready for some epoxy primer. Ooh, delicious epoxy primer. Everything's nice and fresh. Very nice. Sweet. Sweet, man. That's a lot of sanding though.
Any ideas?
Right, Stormzy, calm down. What's the status update, Chewy? Tell the people. Tell the people. We've got epoxy primer on the boy. Just like that. Epoxy primered whole side of the boy. He's excited. He's excited. Look, he's wagging. He's wagging. Look at the wag on the boy.
Do you know what he's doing? He's looking for the welds.
He doesn't know. He doesn't know. He doesn't know where the welds are. Where are the welds, Chewy? No one knows.
Any ideas?
It looks like pretty faultless on camera. I know there's still some work to do, but on camera it looks like that's just how it is.
It's so hard to pick up. There's like 3 attempts. Even though you get the repair panel dead, you know, just with panel warpage and things moving around. Just try and pick up this fine line on filler.
Warpage and sausage. Hello.
That, I'll do anything around here.
Woo! Struggly boys. Mark 2. I have a big hole that I'm going to repair.
Big poopy butthole.
I've gotten to the crust that I wanted to get to. So, step 1. Clean this off. Clean up these cuts a little bit more. They're alright. I've just filed them down a little bit. They're not looking too bad.
Any ideas?
Clean this rust off. Get to nice shiny metal. Rust treat it. Blow some rust treatment underneath all the crevasses. And then start making, template. Angle is struggling, everything is struggling. Shall I try and go from the back?
No, I think I'll go from the back.
Do you fit in there?
Not really.
Yeah.
Any ideas?
You get shown me, it's my job.
gate. We are struggling, boy. That's not bad.
It's fine.
That's not bad.
Just need everything out.
You just need two struggling boys, mate.
That looks pretty perfect.
Whew. That was alright. It's fine.
Yeah.
Look at the room for activities.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that in the bed.
Mate, I have a Hoover in there, mate. It's scary.
Yeah.
Happy days, mate. Never-ending pile of stuff
Any
that's just
ideas?
piling.
Buildings.
Hey guys, you like piles of stuff? I've got piles of stuff, guys. There's been a development. This was going to be made into a shape, into roughly the original shape of it, but we're not doing that anymore. That's way too complicated. It's not complicated, it's doable, but completely unnecessary. We've made a template to go in, and it's all good, and blah blah blah, lined it all up, but there's an unnecessary amount of bends in it. The other side, there's one slopey wing boy. Here, loads of bends because the battery tray used to live here. So, we're not doing that anymore. What I'm gonna do is, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna bang this out
Any
flat
ideas?
from here to here. Bang this flat and make this into one slopey boy. So like here you can see this slope will just be one slopey boy. Right, this is where we're at with the wing. Made a little relief cut here to get rid of all of this bulges. Oh no. This is all nice and flat now. Now I just need to make a simple flat
Any
shape.
ideas?
Yeah.
Forgot if I can get the windscreen out without taking my back out.
What are you up to? Another window out.
Windscreen's going out now.
Are you gonna take the windscreen out?
Windscreen.
What is the contraption you've made? We've gone and broke the screen.
That was what it was meant to anyway.
Oh yeah.
The sun was on its way out.
But we have a spare one, so that's all good. This one's broken now, but that's okay. Ooh.
And over this side.
That's not bad though. That's not bad. That's not.
Yeah, down there.
Oh yeah, it's a drain hole. It's the same on the other side. It is like rusty blue. Alright, if I hold it like this, gonna wiggle it. Are you taking out the rubber or?
I'm trying to get the whole thing out.
Oh my god! Yep, I got it. 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 You got it?
Yeah.
You got it.
Open the door for
Milk the door for us. Don't milk the door, mate. It's the last thing you want to do. Pile of stuff. Let's add to the pile of stuff. Hey, guy, you got some stuff? Put it on my stuff. Is it going? Oh. Nice wheels, mate. Some nice wheels on the boy.
Any ideas?
This is where we are with the whole repair piece just being one smooth boy. Template coming along, just trimming it little by little. So, wing. I'm not going to film any of this. This is just long, but you got to trust the process. Just trimming, little by little, little by little. So I'm currently at this stage. Still need to bend this down and shape all of this edge of it, but I'm never going to film any of this. My phone's dying, and this is just a struggling boy. So yeah, trust the process, little by little.
Any ideas?
We'll get there.